morning, good afternoon. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're checking out the ongoing dwelling of Kenol-Sagana-Marua highway. So this is an 84 kilometers highway that traverses through four counties: Murang'a County, then Machakos County. A section of it goes through Machakos County, then to Kirinyaga County, and finally to Nyeri County at Marua Junction. There have been conflicting information about how much this road project is costing us, but what I know is there were several projects and the government ended up taking the cheapest one. So according to the Minister of Transport, James Macharia, he said that one lane is going to be opened by the end of this year. This is 2021. So by the December this year, one lane will be completed. The other one will be completed by mid next year. So by then mid 2022, this road should be in operation and working properly. So this road actually is, as you know, it's part of Great North Road. So its intention is to connect with the Lapsset Corridor at Isiolo. As you know, there have been the Lapsset Corridor that was launched by the former president Emilio Stanley Kibaki. It started from Lamu, where they constructed the construction of a new port started, and I believe that's now over because the president the other day went over there to launch it. So there is a highway running from Lamu all the way to Isiolo, and apparently it's supposed to connect to Ethiopia and to southern Sudan. So as you can see, this is a very, very important road. I know there have been people saying that this is now the what Uhuru Kenyatta want to leave, the legacy that he want to leave to the central Kenya because of how they overwhelmingly supported him. But that's not the case. Anyway, this is going to be very useful to the whole country because, as you know, we are in competition with Tanzania, Uganda, and Ethiopia is a landlocked country, and it's good through Eritrea and Djibouti. So if they end up getting their goods from Lamu, that's a benefit to our economy. And as you know, the economy of Ethiopia is almost at par with the economy of Kenya. So that will be of great benefit. So I don't want it to be boring to you. So go ahead and enjoy this video. And please, 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 if you like this video, please hit the like button. I'm also going to beg you, because I'm on a journey. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. And as you can see, I am 350 short of 1,000. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button. I beg you, and good things will happen to you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.